In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Overwatch 2 freezing issues. Now first what we want to do is find our Overwatch right here or search for it down here. Right click, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Press apply and press OK and see if it works now. If it's still not working, you can search for Windows Update and take the latest Windows update if you have one. Now another thing you can do is right click on your desktop, display settings, scroll down, graphic settings, allow hardware accelerated GPU, and here we want to press browse and find our Overwatch launcher. Mine is on the D drive, yours is probably on C drive under program files. I have mine here, so edit, click on it, options and high performance. After that, come down here and search for device manager, find display adapters, right click, update driver. After that, CMD, right click, run as administrator, and it should look like this. In here you want to type sfc /scan now. Press enter and it's gonna scan your PC for any errors and other corruption files. Now once you've done that, come down here and search for firewall, allow an app, change settings, press O and look for Overwatch and make sure private and public is ticked. Now if you cannot find it, press allow another app, browse, find your Overwatch, mine was on the D drive, right here, and allow Overwatch launcher. Now if that's still not working, what you can do is head into Overwatch and go to video settings. From in there you want to turn down your graphics. Instead of having them on high, you want to turn them down to medium or low. Now I really hope any of these helped you. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.